Welcome to the Arbitrade Pro manual. And in this video, we will talk about the artificial intelligence of Arbitrade Pro, which is the largest management platform of currently predictive markets. So if you missed the other videos, you can access our playlist to learn from deposits and withdrawals to managements, the functions of the platform, because in this video, we are focused here within the trade automation part, available in Arbitrade AI. Here we have two basic functions, both automatic and manual. Starting with manual, you have several daily operations available so you can trade without having to take time, looking for several markets who are pricing the profit for you. In manual arbitrade, you have direct access. And here you get a series of markets at that time that are with high probability of expiration. Here you receive your option, which should be inserted, that AI herself sends you and shows if the market is open so you can do the operation. Beyond the date, finalization, accumulation report, you have the assertiveness you're having. This relationship of information sent by arbitration. 75% win rate manual. Down here you already see when changing open box to win. You can see here the options that had victory in the past and those that are open at the moment. This is the manual part available. When you want the automatic part, you simply have two options of choices. Inside the automatic part, you don't need to click trade and access the market. He simply will make you entries in two types of automation. One is the auto year, which is considered yet another promising strategy, and the self-uncle, who is an aggressive strategy. Inside, you can put the minimum per transaction, which is $1, and you have to add balance. Then your strategy, so it can work. And you can define how much you want to use within the artificial intelligence of arbitrariness. In Auto 2, we have the same thing. But as in another video we have already explained, you have the option to recover losses, adding here how many steps and how much percentage you want with each recovery, or also leverage, when you want to leverage from the moment you hit it several times. Within a management, in this case here, the minimum will be $5 per operation. Don't forget here what you have to define by clicking on either of the two, on or off, because if you have typed the off, will appear here inactive and operations will not happen. So you define how on and ready you are able to operate all these functions. You will see these operations. Here in your history activity, you will see that these operations are going to begin to appear automatically. Here in your activity history and positions, from the moments they enter, it is very simple to operate. This is the automatic way that arbitrariness defines and helps you so that you can make good trades. With artificial intelligence,